What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently up 8% in a long trade. Sniped pretty close to the bottom. We'll get into it. Sitting in market cap of 291 million, 25 volume, 166 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses, these are the two exchanges where I do my investing and trading. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord. I have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Gala. Beautiful. Wow, here we go. Beautiful breakout from our falling wedge, from our wave 2 pullback. We are looking for a bounce to break out of this wedge, and that's exactly what we've seen. We had two entries for our long trade. The break even was about 0.0375, right around here. So currently, I gave a signal in the Discord. Currently, we're up 11% on that trade. So if you want those signals, it's only $10 a month. Same price as a Big Mac meal with a drink. And you'll get more benefit out of the Discord, in my opinion. So this is exactly what we have been waiting to see, and what we want to see is for Gala to put in that wave 5, because we have 3 waves up off the low. So if we can see that wave 5 and then we hold a 3-wave pullback, then you're going to see continuation up in that wave 3. And to measure that wave 3, take a trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2. And your wave 3 target is the 1.618, which is coming in at 0.062 for the wave 3. So everything's playing out to a T. Currently making some juicy profits at that long trade. And my HODL position is completely full, and the break even is about 0.038. So I'm pretty happy with that as well. Hopefully we see that continuation. Looks pretty good. We're seeing a beautiful wave 5 right now for our friend Gala Games. So if we look at our next chart here, we're about to get back above those daily EMAs. We broke above them briefly, but if we can get back above them, then we're going to print the bullish cross. And there's a high likelihood you're going to come back up to this top of the channel at 0.059 and see continuation to the upside, in my opinion. So things are looking good for Gala. We're making some juicy profits on that trade signal. So we can give a wave 5 target off the wave 2 low up to the top of the wave 3 to the bottom of the wave 4. And your wave 5 target would be the 618, which is currently coming at 0.043. Let me just move this over and we'll drop in a quick price target for the wave 5 target right here, 0.043. So that's your wave 5 target. Hold the 3-wave pullback, and then you're good to go for continuation in that juicy wave 3. If we roll over and break that low, then it is what it is. But as of right now, we're making some juicy profits off that trade signal that we dropped in the Discord. It's only $10 a month for trade signals, early access to my analysis, crypto news, member profits, all plays. Some people charging 50, $100 a month. I'm only charging 10. And all other chat rooms are completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges and email me or sign up email. They're posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies completely for free. All links in the comments, in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you got value out of the video. If you're currently in the Gala long trade, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.